He's shaving that wood really thin. Look how thin it is. That's amazing. He must be an expert.